Hey guys, well, we're Dennis here, and today we are playing Counter-Strike Global Offensive, and we're doing Demolition. Demolition is a game that we have new weapon each round, and we play it. Oh crap! I'm dying. Seriously, I'm dying. The heck? Only me, my friend. Is that it? I think someone up here. No one? Heck? Die! Yes. Okay, so P2000. I like it. Let's go. Just like I said. Okay. Die! Bomber! Oh crap, I suck at it. I suck. Oh crap, I knew it. There's an eagle. Good. Die. Yeah. Woo. Woo. Oh, the sniper rifle. I like it. I like sniper. But my computer's lagging, which makes me. No aiming. Where are they? Oh god, I gotta lose time. We gotta lose. Only me left. Fuck no. Why? No. Why? No. So I lose this time. So thanks for watching and bye.